back. I finally got the nail supplies. I waited till they all came here to open them up. So let's get started.
I'm using a eyebrow eraser thing because I don't have a what is it called? A cutter, but it works fine. I was like, it's an empty box because this is on it, and I'm like, what? They just sent an empty box. But here's the first item. This is the YN Young Nails Protein Bond, and here it is. I don't know if it will capture, but at the end I'll just, show all of them separately close up. I hope my address won't show on any of these packages because that will be hard to get out. Second package. It is the Barbicide, and this is basically to clean the tools and everything. Okay, next package. It's like Christmas to me. So I don't know what is in the packages. Like, I know what I ordered, but like, I don't know in what order is what. I'm just... Oh. And this right here. I thought this was my address on this side. This right here, I loved and I saw on Instagram and I wanted to get it, and I got it. It's a light, and it's like a thing for your table. You basically put it on and it records the table and has a light as well attached to it. I freaking love it. Oh. And these are the nail drill bits. I have a nail drill, but I didn't have the bits, so I ordered those. Okay. This right here is a hand rest. It's for your client to rest their hand on. This is a sanitizing tray. So you put the Barbicide in it and you let the tools sanitize. And this is the mat for the table. Oh, I'm running out of space on this little table. These are the soaking trays to soak off your nails. And then let's see. Okay, the nail polishes. So these I'm gonna start off with the Beetles nail polishes on Amazon, but then once I get a little bigger, I'll upgrade to the more like quality nail polishes. These are pretty good. Like, these last like a long time, so they're not bad nail polishes, but just, the name. I don't know what this is. Oh, it's the display rack for the nail polishes. And I think the nail cutters. These are for the acrylic nails or gel, whatever, just clip to a shorter size. I don't know why I keep throwing out the blade that I need to open the rest of the packages. Oh, okay, so this is the last one. Let's see. And this one is filled to the top. Okay, so we have here two types of nail polishes again. One of them is nude, it's skin tones, and then the other one is called Easter Egg Hunt. And then we have the nail lamp. Ooh, it's a Christmas. And then this right here is you put alcohol in it, and these are the wipes. It's basically like, I don't know how to explain it, but I'll show you later. These are the nail tips. They're not gel, but they're very good. I love these nail bits. And this is the LED desk lamp. I did not know they were going to come with this. These are the display tips. You can practice on them as well. And then we have the nail glue. And then last but not least, I don't know what this is. Oh, it's the cuticle trimmer, basically a set of hand cleaning tools? Cuticle things. I don't know how to call them. But yeah, so these are all the things I got. And I will actually just do my nails as well. Maybe in another video, maybe in this video, I'm still thinking about it. But let me just give you a closer look.
I'll actually open this first to show you a closer look on all of these items because this will help me record.
So I've set up the stand and it comes with a remote to switch the lights. This is the first item, it's the mat, which I'll basically lay down right now. The mat came a little bent, but it's fine. I'm pretty sure it's going to straighten out over time. Our second item that I'm going to open is this lamp. I'm sorry if the camera shakes a little bit. It's because the table I'm using is not very stable. Now this lamp is very tiny, but I've had it before and it works great. I never knew if you're supposed to remove this glue thing, but I always remove it because the light just looks better that way.
that's it for the unboxing. In the next video, I will show you all the colors I got and do my own nails as well. So stay tuned for that. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye. The mess I have to clean afterwards though. Damn.